So here's how to convert a web page into a PDF document. So the first option is to open the web page in Google Chrome. So for example, any web page. So let's look for a blog web page. So for example, this one. The simplest way is to right click and then choose print option. And then you want to click the destination, set it to save as PDF. And let's wait for the page to load. Now you can see the page in here. Now click on save and choose the path where to save the file. Now once the file is saved, you can double click to open it and it should look like this, which is a PDF file. Now the next option is to download an extension. So you want to search for Go Full Page extension and go to Chrome Web Store. You should see the Go Full Page. You can also search for it and then click on Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension and wait for it to download and install the extension. Now you will simply go to the website. So for example, let's go to the website or the page again, and then you want to click on the extension logo and then click on Go Full Page extension. Now wait for it to capture the web page and convert it to PDF. Now you want to click on Download PDF and click on Allow, and it should download a PDF file that when you open it you can see the web page captured perfectly with all the images. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.